Waffle Time Austin Topolaz up. 2016. Sexy Lavender Bird up for Waffle. Good luck. Here's our list. We got 1 through 35. Let's go. 748. Let's check our proof. Got 3 pages from Austin. Let's get a fresh random page. There's a secure lock and the valid certificate. Ready to get a winner, 1 through 35. Good luck once again. 2016 Sexton Firebird, lucky winner 4. Number 4. Kaboom. Congrats. Nice hit. Winner statement. It's 749. Number 4. Corbin. Nathaniel, congratulations. Corbin with the win. Great hit. Congrats, winner. Have a great night, everyone. 749.